Welcome to my home. Welcome to Mirrors. What you show is not what they get. You might always want to look a certain way to them, but that is not what they might perceive. They take bits and pieces from what they think is important, and finally, to put up something that is a bit distorted, if I may. What they perceive might not exactly be what the truth is. It need not necessarily be good or bad, but just different. You see, everything is not simply as it seems. If the floor is clean, it's not just because it was born clean, instead, because someone is keeping it clean. And sometimes, their perception is what keeps us awake, aware, and in a sense, conscious of ourselves. For in every field and every activity you indulge in, there is no escaping the fact that there will be stereotyping. And this does not always have a positive outcome. For example, on a sunny day, just because you are holding an umbrella does not mean that you are the privileged one. You need the access and the right to it. In this additive pile of perceptions, where every perception is the result of a former set of perceptions you had, in this maze of mirrors, where every reflection looks different from the other, the only thing you can do is polish and polish, hoping that one day they'd perceive less and reflect more.